Nick? Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet! I'm so hungry. Oh! Shit! Are you okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean?
Oh, no. It can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck! I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Nick. No. There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?
I love you too, baby. Nick.
Whoa. Juliet? What? Am I okay?
Yeah. Basically.
I feel okay. I feel good. Juliet, I'm not a zombie. Not at all. What? Oh, no.
Nick, I had to.
Oh, God. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. Where's my fucking body? Oh, fuck.
Don't get mad. I didn't know what to do.
How am I still alive? How am I still talking without a fucking thorax?
I performed, a magical ritual on your head. It was really hard. And I don't mean to be a jerk, but I think maybe just a little bit of appreciation is in order. If I didn't chop off your head, the venom would have totally seeped into your brain and turned you into a zombie.
Juliet? How? How do you know how to perform a magical ritual on my decapitated head?
There's some stuff I didn't tell you before, okay? I didn't want you to think I was weird. I'm kinda, sort of,
What? Juliet?
Don't know how to say it exactly.
Zombies! Zombies! Coming to kill us now!
I'm a zombie hunter.
What? Ah! Ah! Oh, fuck!
Don't hate me!
Oh, come on! What the fuck is going on here? Hey, this is making me dizzy!
We'll pick up some antacids later, Nick. Right now we have to kill these guys.
Another stupid zombie? something exploded. What the hell was that?
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon.
I'm Fitzgibbon, bitch!
This kind of math sucks. What's this? A bomb?
That's royally effed up.
That's some whack shit! We should help them, right?
Don't worry, I'll take care of them.
Leave me alone! Get away! Help!
Let's go hang out after school.
Ooh, I don't have this one yet.
I fucked up my math test! I need help!
Hey, it's Mr. Fitzgibbon again. He gave me a D last week. Kill him. think that zombie seriously had dynamite strapped to it.
Why would somebody do that?
Stay back! Get off!
Whoa! That was close.
That'll make the 5 o'clock news.
This zombie might work. Hey, Nick! We need to break through that wall. Can you give me a hand?
Yeah, right. I don't have a hand to give.
Well, not yet, but that spell I cast on you gives you some magical powers.
What?
Like maybe I can connect you to this zombie's body and you can temporarily use it.
Huh?
Just like this. 4, 5, 6.
Whoa, whoa. This feels weird. I'm blue and stuff.
Nick, look! If I use this ticket, I can totally use your cool powers.
Whatever, dude.
Check this out! Time to shop! Click, click! Well...
Where's my ammo?
Oh, great, those jerks trapped us in here.
Thanks a lot!
To the chair!
What's the deal, dude?
Zombie cop. Fucking lame.
A zombie with a gun? No fair!
Guys!
you! Sonic makes your bones weak.
Oh man, their bodies are racked with bombs.
We need to hit them and run away before they explode. Fun!
How is that fun?
Oh my god!
What the heck is this? Oh, watch out!
Look what those jerks did to our school.
Yeah, but it does get me out of my calculus homework on Friday. Come!
I'll be back for you!
Uncool, asshole!
I got video. I'm gonna post this shit on YouTube.
Professor Campbell is so hot.
Stop! Stop!
That's the dude who stranded us. Now he's getting what he deserves.
But we can't just let them all die, Nick.
Or he could.
Go!
gonna do now, Juliet?
Watch me, Nick. Suck City.
Juliet, where are we going?
I need to find Morikawa-sensei. He'll know what to do.
Who's that?
Morikawa-sensei. He's my sensei.
A sensei? Like a teacher?
I didn't know you spoke Japanese, Nick.
Well,
Osekoi, watashi mo Nihiko o hanashimasu.
I can't speak Japanese, Juliet. I just know that one word.
Aw, your simple innocence is one of the most attractive things about you.
Yeah.
You're like a kitten that doesn't speak Japanese.
Yeah, okay.
Something else written. It says zombie basketball. Time limit 3 minutes. You lose and blam.
Lard-ass bait.
What? Game's already started.
Zombie basketball. Time you're killing them zombies. How many points can you rack up? It seems like a one-sided game. 3 points.
What do we have here this time? Basketball? Why basketball? Just don't throw my head into the hoop.
Time to get to work.
3 points. 3 points. Nice shot. Fantastic.
Oh my. Awesome.
3 points. Fantastic. Nice shot. Nice shot. Fantastic. 3 points. Fantastic. Fantastic. 3 points. Nice shot. Nice shot. Fantastic. Nice shot. Fantastic. Fantastic. Nice shot. Wow, what a turnaround. The zombies are getting slaughtered. Incredible game, Juliet. Can't wait to see you in action again.
Where's that voice coming from?
Mommy! Quarantine!
We need to get out of here.
Emergency!
God, I love shopping.
Rock and roll!
Your goal.
At least I can look up your scared as I die.
Time to shop.
Crazy way it thrills me.
That's it. That's it.
Just like the lightning from the sky. He loves to kiss me till I can't see straight. Gee, my lollipop is great. I call him.
Let's go.
Kill him before he blows up!
Juliet, baby, no.
Emergency.
God, I love shopping.
Emergency.
Rock and roll!
Ready? Go! Yay!
Wow.
Super wow! Wow!
Excellent!
Pop it! Time to shop! Check this out! Let's go!
Don't be late.
Kill him before he blows up! Yeah, I had biology in here. I dissected a frog.
Dead frog! Gross!
That's gross. Oh man, don't these dudes ever stop coming?
Have you done your homework already?
Oh man, don't these dudes ever stop coming?
Lard ass bait!
Go!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Get off my head! Go next!
Dangerous run! Dangerous!
Pushing power.
you more than Carrot Top. Awesome! I'm drooling.
Fuck yeah!
Did you finish our homework?
Quit opening and closing the door, dude! Ready? Go!
Amazing!
Cool!
Virus.
Again and again with the door. It's irritating! Yes!
Wash your hands!
Time to shop! Click, click! Click, click! Well, killing zombies gives me total wood.
That's a weird thing to say.
Sensei!
Ah, Juliet. One moment, please. Hey, aside! Juliet, it looks like you've really gotten ahead in life.
My teacher, Morikawa Sensei, is the most amazing veteran zombie hunter ever.
Oh.
Ah, correct. I have studied the zomboid sciences for 40 years. Listen, both of you! The school is in dire trouble. My research...
Check, check. 1, 2, 3. It's party time, motherfuckers!
I'm loving it!
Pop it!
Fuck yes!
Sweet!
Well, that was a crappy party.
Wow, dumbest, most explodious birthday cake ever.
Don't make me fire.
Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite.
Whoever's behind this knows my birthday. We must be friends on Facebook. I don't have this one. You guys touching and exploding would so put a damper on my birthday.
This majorly sucks. Oh man, this majorly sucks.
Happy birthday.
Oh man, this majorly sucks. Do not let the fire zombies touch the dynamite. Fire zombies away from that dumb cake. Get through the door quickly! Now!
Magna genocide, baby!
Hey! I recognize that guy. He went to school with us.
He's the one planning to open the gate between here and Rotten World. I have to stop him.
Oh man, there's nothing more hysterical to me than watching this world burn. This world, this government, this society made my life a hell. Well, now everyone is gonna know a life of hell forever.
Why did you do this to my school?
What, you didn't have time to clean out your locker, Juliet?
Hey! Leave her alone! Wait till I get my hands on you, dude!
Malicious lords, I invoke your dark forces in declaring myself God of this realm. As the pawn is present, may a ritual commence, and may the dark purveyors appear! Now! Bingham, Kelly, Swash, Lingori, Yellum, Tobal, Ellie, Mora, Forum, Tokum, Cab, Bingham, Kelly, Swash.
No!
Sensei!
This world makes me want to puke. You're the one who called us here?
Yeah, that's right. I'm your new master. And I demand you initiate the pawn into the ritual and rot every living thing in the school along the way! I did it! All right, guys. Time for you to rot this entire school and everyone in it.
I think I dig this kid. A real fucking head case.
How could you do this to Sensei Morikawa?
That smell, this one's a zombie hunter.
What are you laughing at, dickhead?
Let the ritual commence!
Let's play.
Piss off!
Oh, hell!
I'm punk rock zombie Zed! Welcome to the mosh pit, you zombie hunting sleaze! Yeah!
Wow, what happened here?
Ah! I'm gonna rock your brains out! Literally!
No one told me we're gonna have to deal with giant letters.
That My Chemical Romance wannabe is destroying San Romero!
Oh, love that song Teenager. Have you heard that?
That's not important now, Nick. We have to kill this guy. What do you think about this for a catchphrase? I'm going to kill you. A lot.
I think you can do better.
It's your pants!
Shit! Look out!
I'll restring my guitar with your intestines!
His voice is mega irritating.
How do you like the spotlight, Slag? Your face gonna be a sweet do-rag!
He made a stage from all the cars at San Romero.
Oh my god! Total waste of a Volvo!
Welcome to the big show!
Fuck! What a douchebag. Quit destroying shit for no reason.
I hate to explode!
Get out of my way!
Time to get hardcore, you zombie hunting slut!
It's a party!
Amazing!
Impressive! All right!
Juliet, you're kinda hot when you kick ass.
Probably took him 3 hours to spike his mohawk. This strawberry's my favorite!
I'm gonna crush your face! I'm loving this shit! Your ass is mine! I love the smell of almost dead cheerleader in the morning. Yeah! Ooh!
Torturing small animals? What kind of whack job waterboards Chip and Dale? That makes Skyliner here like the most uncoolest dude ever.
Welcome to the mosh pit, slag!
Fuck! Giant letters.
Yeah! Yeah! Fuck! Damn! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die! I'm gonna crush your fucking face! Fuck!
Hot Topic sales reject. This guy's fast.
Bitch! Take this!
What dude pierces his belly button? Seriously.
Crap! Sucker! Bitch!
My package was that small, I'd never wear pants that tight.
Your pants! Yeah! Take this, whore! Vanilla slut! Take this, whore!
You are rocking.
You think that hurts me? I just jizzed a little. Yeah! I think you...
Your mohawk looks like a rooster's thingamabob.
I'm all about DIY! Homicide! Ow! Eat my mohawk, you bum! Yeah! Your pain! I'm gonna crush your ass! Eat my mohawk! Dirty slut!
Shit! Speakers!
Your pain! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die! Your face gonna be on this! Oi! Yeah! Your face gonna be on... Ow! Fuck! Bring it on!
Juliet, let's fuck up that speaker.
Fuck! Join me on stage for a death jam!
Almost there.
Oh, that one actually hurt a little, bitch! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die! Die! My mohawk, you dirty slut! Crap! Die! You zombie!
Oh, this sucks.
Whoa! Yeah! 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 Whoa! Eat my shit! Die, die, die! Bitch! I can't wait to see you die! Fuck! Die, die!
He's trying to kill us?
Your pain is my art! This you're gonna love! Bitch, bitch!
Awesome! That's too much.
Take this, whore! Take this, whore! Shit, bitch! Yeah! Your pain is mine!
He's trying to kill us?
Whoa, whoa!
And the finish! Fucking giant letter bullshit!
Jeez, so emo.